What's up, Bulldog World? What's up, Bully World? This is Dante Hamilton representing brother-to-brother-underground-wear.com. We're repping the finest fashion in American Pitbull Terrier gear and the American Bully gear. And if you don't believe me, here's just a few designs that we have to offer. We have plenty and many more, and create new designs every day.
American Bully, Pitbull Terrier, hell of a breed. What you know about American Bully, Pitbull Terrier, and next to me. Respect these American Bully, Pitbull Terrier, hell of a breed. What you know about American Bully, Pitbull Terrier, and next to me. Respect these American Bully, Pitbull Terrier, hell of a breed. What you know about American Bully, Pitbull Terrier, and next to me.
Man up if you dare. Just click that joint online at brother-to-brother-underground-wear.com, cause 10 of your tags should be reading our name. From East Coast to the West Coast to the Midwest, we got it. Just click that joint online. Man up, baby.